They look like a loving all-American family on TV, but the couple who host HGTV's hit show Flip or Flop say their marriage has flopped. The break came following a spectacular altercation in which Christina El Moussa says her husband, Tarek, flipped out.
What the hell just happened?
It took 11 deputies and a police helicopter to restore calm to the couple's home in Orange County. Eyewitnesses said Tarek fled his home wielding a semi-automatic rifle. When he surrendered, he told officers he was just trying to blow off some steam. Today, the pair announced they are calling it quits. Like many couples, we have had challenges in our marriage. We had an unfortunate misunderstanding, and the police were called to our house in an abundance of caution. There was no violence, the statement said.
The couple described actually having gone to marriage counseling to work through their issues, and in fact, people photographed them at their home in August, and they seem to be doing okay.
Christina and Tarek have been married 7 years and have 2 children. It's not the first crisis they faced. An eagle-eyed viewer saved Tarek's life when she noticed this lump in his throat during the show. We spoke to the couple in happier times.
I remember getting this email, and the reason I remember it, it was life-changing. I noticed that the host, Tarek, has a large nodule on his thyroid, and he needs to have it checked out.
It turned out to be cancer.
When the doctor came out, I could just tell by his face, and he said it's cancer, and it spread to his lymph nodes. And I literally just fell on the floor crying.
Tarek underwent surgery, followed by radiation therapy. Thanks to that viewer, it was caught in time. Flip or Flop is one of several home improvement shows on cable featuring real husbands and wives working together. The biggest show of all in the genre is Fixer Upper, starring Chip and Joanna Gaines. They were recently on the cover of People magazine and have a best-selling book, The Magnolia Story.
And going back to Flip or Flop, neither Christina or Tarek was charged in the incident, and they are both reportedly seeing other people. Meantime, HGTV told us in a statement that production on their show will continue as scheduled.